In this lecture, we will look at how to quickly create a text frame with 3 columns. I will again compare Scribus and Indesign. In Indesign, I drag a text frame. To have the text frame to be magnetic, Snap to Guides has to be activated. Now I convert the text frame to 3 columns. I right mouse click and choose Text Frame Options. I set the number of columns to 3. I set the gutter, which is the space between the columns, to 5 mm. I click on OK. I place some placeholder text. Now let's do the same in Scribus. As in Indesign, I want the text frame to snap to the margins. I go to Page, Snap to Guides. Like in Indesign, text frames are now magnetic, and will snap to margins, guides, and the document edge. Now I convert the text frame to 3 columns. In the text properties, I open columns and text distances. I set the number of columns to 3. I set the space between the columns to 5 mm. I place some placeholder text. We now have the same result as in Indesign.